Hey, Made in LA friends, here's a stat that will stop you in your tracks. Nearly 15% of home sales recently fell apart right before the closing. Imagine thinking your home is sold and then boom, the deal dies. The number one reason? Inspections. With prices and rates already stretching buyers to their limits, surprise repairs can really scare them away. It's a lot. That's why a pre-listing inspection is such a game changer. That's definitely something that should be in the conversation. It helps you spot and fix issues up front, avoid last-minute renegotiations, and build trust with buyers so your home sells faster and for more money. Don't risk losing thousands of dollars or watching your deal collapse. DM me inspection, and I'll show you exactly how to stay ahead of the competition and get your home sold. I'm Danielle Edney with Danielle Edney Homes, your perfect home, made in LA.